Hey everybody, welcome back to Truly Artrageous. I'm Neil, and I thought that we'd do something kind of fun and goofy today and draw a piece of crazy cheese. But before we do that, wanted to let everybody know, you guys watching the show right now, that every Monday and Thursday, we're gonna be posting brand new videos right here on Truly Artrageous. So be sure to go down, click that subscribe button and slap the bell. And in addition to that, you'll be helping us reach our goal for March of 1,200 subscribers. Hey, and while you're at it, why not click the like button? All right, enough of that. Let's get into drawing crazy cheese. All right, let's go ahead and get started on our crazy cheese. So for this drawing, you're gonna need, of course, a piece of paper. You're also going to need your drawing utensil. It can be a marker just like mine, a pencil, a ballpoint pen, a crayon, whatever's most comfortable for you. And then when we get to the coloring step, this is going to be my color palette. So feel free to copy this, or you can really make your cheese any color. Okay, first step on our crazy cheese is going to be to draw a horizontal line. That's gonna start right here, and we're just gonna draw a horizontal line all the way across like that. Then we're gonna go to this point where we first started, and we're gonna draw another line, but diagonal this time. Go like this to about there. Then we are going to draw a curved line connecting the diagonal line to the horizontal line, and that goes like this. Next, we're gonna draw the sides of the cheese, and because our cheese is crazy, they're gonna be diagonal sides. So we're gonna start here, and we're gonna pull a diagonal line all the way down to there. And then we'll go over here and we'll pull another diagonal line all the way down to where the other line is. And then we'll connect those two with another horizontal line. So start here, pull it all the way across to there. Next, we're gonna draw Crazy Cheese's eyes. The first eyeball is gonna be an oval shape, and then the second one's gonna be a circle shape, and I'll show you what I mean. So first eye starts here. You're just gonna pull a line up, around, down, and then come back up into that starting point there. Then we're gonna draw that circular shaped eye. So that's gonna start here, and it's gonna curve out like this, all the way around and in like that. Next, we're gonna draw the pupil and iris, but on the bigger eyeball, we are going to leave the pupil out, and that's because we're gonna be coloring it in kind of crazy when we get to the coloring step. So, start here, you're gonna draw a circle all the way around, and stop right there. And then on the circular eyeball, we're gonna draw a smaller circle around like that, and we'll just dot it to indicate the pupil. Then we're gonna give the eyes some accent lines to make them look even more crazy. So first one starts here, you're gonna pull down a curved line like that. Second one is over here, you're gonna pull a curved line down like that. Then we're gonna put some on the sides here. So that's just gonna be a curved line right here and a curved line right there. Next, we're gonna draw the eyebrows, and that's gonna be right above the cheese. You're going to curve a line like this. Do one sort of like we did with this portion here, kind of that diagonal shape on top, like that, and then square it off with a straight line. Same thing on the other side. You're going to just curve a line down like that, straight line like that, and then curve that line back in like that. Next, we're gonna draw Crazy Cheese's smile, and he's got a crazy smile. So it starts right up here. We're gonna pull a curved line down like this, so about there. And we'll just keep that going all the way back up. And then we'll do the bottom half of his mouth. Another curved line to here, and then another curved line all the way back up. Next, we'll draw his teeth. So that's gonna start right here, and we're gonna pull down a line like that, and then another diagonal line right here. And then same thing on this side, pull the line down like that, and a diagonal line like that. So they're kind of like a Pac-Man shape, or like a check, a sideways check. And then we'll color in that empty space in black. And we'll give the teeth a little bit of an accent, just to kind of indicate where the teeth are, just with a little line right here, like that. And another one on this side, like that. Next, we're gonna draw his smile lines on his smile, his lovely, crazy smile there. So it's gonna be kind of like an upside down check, but the side of the check is curved. So it's gonna go up like this, and then it's gonna go in like that. Same thing on this side, up like that, and curve it in like that. So it almost follows the smile line there. And then we'll accent the bottom lip here with just a curved line, like that. Next, we're gonna draw the holes, because what would a crazy cheese be without the holes? So I'm just gonna do a couple, and then I'll speed it up for the rest of it. But just to get you started, you're gonna draw a circle, and you're just gonna keep kind of doing these all over the cheese. And kind of vary the size of your circle. So big, small, and then up here, since we're in perspective, we're looking over it, we're gonna draw an oval shape to indicate those holes, like that. All right, and there's your line work done for your crazy cheese. And now it's time for the gratuitous, cringeworthy, slightly annoying dad joke. Okay, what did the police officer say to his belly button? You're under a vest. All right, let's move on to the coloring step, and I'm gonna do that in super speed, starting right now. All right, there it is, your fully colored crazy cheese. So remember how we left this eye open? I went in there and just made this swirly design because that looked crazy to me. If that's too hard, just put another pupil in there, or put whatever you want in the eye. I also added a little bit of mold in there because I thought if he's crazy, he's probably not taking care of himself and he's probably a little moldy. Anyway, I hope you guys had lots of fun drawing crazy cheese, and I'm sure that yours looks really awesome right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Remember, we're trying to reach 1,200 subscribers by the end of March. Don't forget to tell all your friends about Truly Artrageous and how much fun you're having here. And don't forget to have a great day wherever it is you are. All right, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.